This Gotham Steel 3-piece nonstick fry pan set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pans. These pans make cooking easy and cleanup even easier. The non-stick surface means food won't stick. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even sear meat without a lot of grease. The Gotham Steel 3-piece nonstick fry pan set has cool touch handles. This feature helps prevent burns while you are cooking. The pans are also dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleaning after meals. The copper color adds a nice look to your cookware. These pans are PFOA-free, meeting expectations for safe cooking. They offer good support for everyday cooking needs. This Gotham Steel 3-piece nonstick fry pan set is versatile. You can use them as an omelet pan or a skillet for various dishes. While they are not made of glass, their non-stick coating works like a converter for sticky foods. You likely won't need a lot of butter or oil. Promoting healthier cooking. These pans are not designed for very acidic foods, but for most everyday cooking. They hold up well. Replacements might be needed over time, but these pans are built to last. Pros: 8, 10, 12-inch sizes, copper color, omelet pan use, PFOA-free, dishwasher safe, cool touch handle. Easy to clean, durable. Cons: handle might feel less sturdy, not always fully non-stick, some report sticking issues. Durability can be a concern, coating may scratch, uneven heating possible, cleaning can be tough. Bottom ridges hard to clean, may not last very long, quality can be instant. Features: Gotham Steel brand, copper cast, frying pan set 3-piece set, non-stick surface, copper color. 8-inch pan, 10-inch pan, 12-inch pan, omelet pan. This Gotham Steel copper cast frying pan set has 3 pans of different sizes: 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. They have a non-stick surface and a copper color. These pans are also described as omelet pans and are part of a cookware set from the Gotham Steel brand. They are made without PFOA and have cool touch handles. You can wash them in the dishwasher. This Gotham Steel copper cast frying pan set includes 3 non-stick copper fry pans in 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes, suitable for making omelets and other dishes. The pans are PFOA-free, dishwasher safe, and feature cool touch handles for easy and safe use. While advertised as easy to clean and durable, some users have reported issues with food sticking, the handle feeling less sturdy, the coating potentially scratching, uneven heating, and cleaning difficulties due to bottom ridges, which may affect the pan's long-term durability and consistent non-stick performance. Quality can also vary between individual pans.